Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we simplify online income and make digital freedom your new reality. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 online, step by step, no fluff, no scams. This is perfect for beginners, even if you have no money to start. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, where to start, and how to actually get paid. First, you need to pick something you can offer. We're not talking about becoming an expert overnight. We're talking about quick start services like removing background from images, creating simple logos on Canva, writing short product descriptions,
proofreading, transcribing videos, or managing someone's Instagram comments. You can find all these in high demand on sites like Fiverr,
Upwork, or People Per Hour. And guess what? This don't require any money to start. You can learn how to do them using free YouTube tutorials. Hello, welcome to Wisdom Wealth, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, I specially welcome you to this amazing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I also specially welcome you back. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and remember to hit on the notification bell so as to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Go to Fiverr and browse low competition gigs in new seller categories to model after. Now let's get practical. Sign up on Fiverr. It's beginner friendly and free. Choose a gig title like, I will remove background from 20 images in 24 hours, or I will create a clean and simple logo. Make your gig description clear and short. Use phrases like fast delivery, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, perfect for small businesses or Instagram brands. Add a thumbnail. You can create one on Canva using their free templates. Then publish your first gig. Add tags like fast delivery, Canva logo, beginner service to get noticed. Here's a trick that actually works. Offer your service free to 3 people in exchange for honest feedback and a review. Join Facebook groups or Reddit threads where people need these services. Say something like, hey, I'm just starting out on Fiverr and offering my design service for free to 3 people. All I ask is a quick review if you're happy with it. This does 2 things. 1, builds your confidence. 2, gets real reviews so you start ranking on Fiverr. Never spam. Offer value and be real. People can tell the difference. Once you've done a few free jobs and gathered reviews, you can start charging. Don't jump to $50 gigs yet. Start with $5 to $15 jobs. Deliver fast, over-deliver if possible. If you're designing one logo, add a mock-up preview. If you're writing a product description, add a headline suggestion for free. This builds trust. And in the freelancing world, trust equals repeat money. Just 7 gigs at $15 equals $105. That's your first 100. Now repeat that process. Refine your gig. Add keywords. Change your title slightly if you're not getting clicks. You can also list your gig on multiple platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, even Facebook Marketplace. And once you're consistent, here's where the magic happens. Add a second gig. Example, logo design to social media post design. Create bundles, 3 designs for $25. Offer express delivery for a $5 add-on. Making $100 is great, but this system can bring $500 per month or more if you stay consistent. Want to level up fast? Use AI tools. ChatGPT for writing product descriptions. Canva's Magic Design for fast graphics. CapCut or InVideo for basic video editing gigs. AI doesn't replace the work, but it makes you 3 times faster. And that means more gigs, more reviews, and more money. And that's it. Your step-by-step guide to making your first $100 online. No excuses, no fancy tools, no upfront investment, just skills, service, and consistency. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. I'm ready to start. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on making money online and building digital freedom from scratch. Let's make your first $100 and then your first 1,000. See you in my next video. Bye!